Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Lulu and I'm here to share with you some amazing interior design tips and ideas. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the hottest trends in modern interior design, oval and round forms. Yes, you hear me right. Curves are in and they are here to stay. Oval and round forms can add some harmony, balance, and coziness to your space, as well as some visual interest and contrast. They can also make your space look more spacious, inviting, and functional. But how do you use oval and round form in your interior design? What are the best elements to incorporate these shapes? And how do you mix and match them with other shapes and styles? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. I will give you some examples of how to use oval and round forms in different elements, such as coffee tables, dining tables, paintings, chairs, armchairs, and sofas. I will also explain why oval and round forms are beneficial for your interior design and how to choose the right ones for your space. So if you're interested in learning more about this trend, make sure to keep watching this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Alright, let's get started with the video trend alert, oval and round forms in a modern interior design. Let's go. A smart and interesting way to add some oval and round form to your interior design is by using a dining table. Dining table is an essential and focal piece of furniture that can serve as a place for your meals, as well as a social and interactive environment that can bring people together and foster communication. A round or oval dining table can create a more intimate and elegant setting for your meals, as it always allows everyone to see and talk to each other. It can also create a sense of harmony and balance in your dining room, as it complements the shape and size of the room and avoids wasting space. Another way to add some oval and round forms to your interior design is by using a painting. A painting is an artistic and aesthetic element that can add some color, texture, and emotion to your walls, as well as creating a focal point and a conversation starter. A round or oval painting can add some artistic and aesthetic value for your walls, as well as creating a focal point and a conversation starter. It can also create a sense of movement and dynamism, as it suggests motion and rotations. A round or oval sofa can add some sophistication and luxury to your living room, as it provides a spacious and comfortable place for you and your guests to relax and socialize. It can also create a unique and eye-catching shape in your space, as it stands out from the rest of the elements. One of the easiest ways to add some oval and round forms to your interior design is by using a coffee table. A coffee table is a versatile and practical piece of furniture that can serve as a surface for your drinks, snacks, books, and other items, as well as a decorative element that can enhance the look and feel of your living room. A round or oval coffee table can create a cozy and casual vibe in your living room as it creates a smooth flow and avoids sharp corners that can make a room feel cramped and rigid. It can also fit in any layout and accommodate different sitting arrangement as it allows people to move around and access it from any angle. Another design idea where you can see the use of a round top dining table in the interior design of a small apartment. You can choose a dining table that complements the theme and color scheme of your dining room. In this case, a white metal dining table and four matching chairs. Have a look at this design idea with a stunning modern sofa with the rounded edges, a small wooden round coffee table, and a round ottoman which complements the decor of this stylish living room. Another living room design idea where the focal point is a large round painting. As you can see, you can choose a painting that reflects your taste and mood, or go for an abstract one that adds some mystery and intrigue to your space. You can also play with the size and position of your painting, depending on the impact you want to create. For example, like in this case, you can go for a large and central painting that creates a more dramatic and impressive feeling. Surely the use of one or two round coffee table is the easiest way to add softness and curves to your home interior. As you can see in this image, you can play with the size and height of your coffee table depending on the effect you want to create. For example, you can go for a large and low coffee table that creates a more spacious and relaxed feeling, or two small and high coffee tables that create a more intimate and elegant feeling. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about the trend of oval and round forms in modern interior design. I hope you also got some inspiration and ideas on how to use these shapes in your own space. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them down below. I would love to hear from you and see what you think about this trend. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I have more interior design tips and ideas coming your way, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.